Listen, I'm about to put you on something crazy. I didn't think a $7 product could change my business, but this little viral selling system made me over $4,000. And now my students, people who literally thought I can't sell anything online, are getting their first sales too. It's simple, it's automatic, and honestly, it's kind of stupid how well it works. When I first started, I tried selling $200, $400, $500, even $1,000 courses, $97 templates, even $50 guides. Nobody was buying. Then I said, you know what? Let me just drop this down to like $7 and see what happens. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I wasn't making any money. And you know what? Boom, sales started coming in like crazy. Why? Because $7 feels like a no-brainer to most people. They'll spend that on coffee, snacks, or some random app they'll never open up again once they buy it. But this time, they're spending it on something that can actually make them some money. So here's how this $7 viral funnel works. It's literally built around 5 pages that sell for you. And if you're using system.io, you can import the whole thing in one click, which means that you won't have to build it from scratch or deal with any of that complicated tech. But let me break these pages down for you in plain English, not that marketing robot stuff. Now there's page 1. This is called the sales page. It's like a hype man, or it's like your wingman at the bar saying, yo, you got to check this out. This thing is fire. It's going to grab attention, build curiosity, and get people nodding like, yeah, I kind of like this. Then there's going to be page 2, which is your order form. This is where they're going to actually pay you. They're going to pull out their credit card, put in their information, and actually make the purchase. But on this page, what you're going to do is throw in a little order bump. An order bump is kind of like when you're at McDonald's and they hit you with that famous line, do you want fries with that, or do you want to supersize or upgrade your order? You didn't plan to, but now you got fries in the drink. Boom. For you, that's going to be extra profit. Then there's page 3, which is called an upsell. Now, this is where you're going to say, all right, you like the small fries, but what about the combo? It's your higher value offer. The same customer, but you're going to get a bigger sale. And then there's page 4, which is the downsell. If they say no to the combo, cool. You offer something smaller. So it'd be like, all right, no large meal. How about the chicken nuggets? But you still walk away with the win. And then 5 is going to be your thank you page. This page delivers the product and makes them feel good about buying. It's like when you're at Chick-fil-A and the Chick-fil-A customer says, my pleasure, and you low-key want to buy something else. Now, I set this up one time, and I'm not even joking. I started getting $7 notifications while I was watching Netflix, while I was out with my family, even while I was sleeping. Then came the upsells, then the affiliate commissions, and I realized it's not about getting rich off a $7 product, it's about creating a system that never stops working. This funnel gave me my time back. I'm not sitting there refreshing my phone or chasing new strategies every week. It runs 24/7. It brings in leads and sales while I live my best life. And that's what I want for you too. And once again, because it's built in system.io, everything, the funnels, the emails, automation, it's all plug and play. So there's no tech stress, no $300 a month software stack, just one leak, one click, and you're live. And it's not just me. Students are using the exact same system to get their first digital product sales they ever had in their entire life. I'm talking beginners with no big audience. They're not running paid ads, just this setup and consistency. So if you've been stuck like, man, I just need something simple that actually works. I'm tired of buying courses. I'm tired of wasting my money. Why won't this work for me? This is it. This is what you got to do. You're going to hit the link in the description and you're going to grab the viral $7 funnel and you're going to import it into your system.io account with one click. You're going to get all 5 of the pages, the full set of videos, and my strategy for turning small sales into big income. Because the truth is, once you see that first $7 sale come in, you'll realize this game ain't as hard as people make it sound, and I can't wait for you to experience that. So, go ahead and hit that link down below this video, and stay blessed, stay consistent, and go get that digital money. Stay blessed.